This feature allows users to add work-holding devices from a library to machine-powered programming setups. In this current setup, the workpiece and blank are not yet logically and physically connected. Both can be achieved by equipping the machine with a work-holding device. To do so, open the Machine Setup Configurator and click on Part View. Right-click on the available setup node and select Insert Workholder. This opens the work-holding device library where the desired device can be retrieved from. The selected workholder will now be retrieved into the CAM setup. The next step is the specification of the workpiece location with the simplified part mounting option. Adjust the position by dragging the handle or specifying a value and hit OK. In the Machine Setup Configurator, inserting a workholder changes the node structure, which now includes the workholder with its fixture components. The part and workpiece nodes from the machine have now been consumed by the ones retrieved from the workholder, which are listed under the workholder base. Through the logical connection that has been established, when a workholder is moving, the part and blank will also move with the work-holding device. If users want to adjust the location of the part, the option Edit Part Mounting is available by right-clicking on the setup node. This option is available with and without work holders. Selecting the part or workpiece node will highlight it in the graphics. Authors of machine devices have the Open in Window option at hand to immediately open the selected device. For multi-setup machines, the same functionalities of inserting work-holding devices are available, with one limitation. Instead of having the Edit Part Mounting option, users need to use constraints to edit the part mounting location. Overall, through this feature, a reliable connection between workpiece and machine is ensured. If, for example, the workholder was to be deleted, NXCAM would automatically revert the machine setup component in the workpiece dialog. Overall, it reduces need for manual configuration and thereby also reduces manual errors, while realistic work-holding visualizations are improved as well.